How to delete Dodo Pizza app. Now remember, we are talking about deleting the app only and not the account or its data. So deleting the app is very simple, just like how you downloaded it. Now depending upon whichever device like Android or iPhone you're using, you might just have to long press on the Dodo Pizza app icon by long pressing on it, then tapping the uninstall button or the remove button. Now some Android devices will require you to drag to the uninstall portion at the top. In the case of iPhone, you can tap on the delete app button. But you can also go to your Play Store, search for Dodo Pizza. If you've installed it, there you'll find the uninstall button. So you can tap on uninstall and confirm the changes by tapping on it again, and Dodo Pizza app will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete Dodo Pizza app. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.